Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaibhav. In this video I will show you how you can create a contact form in WordPress absolutely free. So we all know it is very important to have a contact form in our website so that visitor, client or business person can easily get in touch with us. Well, I will show you to create a contact form in two different ways. First, using basic WordPress editor. Second, using Elementor page builder. And at the last, we will going to check this contact form by sending a test email. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So as you see, this is my WordPress dashboard. So first we will going to install one plugin. For that we need to go to the plugin, add new and search for WP Forms. Okay, here it is, WP Forms. It is very popular plugin. So click on install. Then click on activate. Okay, first we need to create a form. So scroll down. Here you will see one button, create your first form. So click on this button. From here we will going to create a form. So I will give a name KV Tech Guide. Now we will just select a blank form. So here it is. Just click on this button, create a blank form. From here you can select and click on this square button to add to the contact form. So I will start with name, email and paragraph text. Here it is. I am going to change this paragraph text name. So click on it. From here I am going to change the name and I will give a name. Type your message. Okay. Next click on setting tab. Here it is. Just click on the setting tab. Here it is, submit button text. So if you want to change from here you can change, but I'm going to change. So I will write send. Next click on confirmation. Here it is. Just click on a confirmation. Okay, from here you can change the confirmation message. Click on this drop box. Here you will see two options. Show page, go to the URL. From here you can send your visitor to different page or you can redirect them to different URL. But I will keep message only. I will select message only. I am not going to change anything. Okay, go to the notification tab. Here it is. Just click on the notification tab. Okay, from here you can change the email. So right now it is admin email. So this is the email that I have used during WordPress installation. So I will keep as it is. If you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, now let's click on save button. Here it is. It has been saved now. So now let's click on the cross button. So I want to close this window now. Here it is. We have created one contact form. So we have given the name KV Tech Guide. So now we will going to add this form to our page. For that we need to create one page. So go to the page, add new. And I will give a name contact me. Now to add a contact form, go to the plus button and search for the visit. Here it is. Open it all. And here you will get WP Forms. So just click on this form. Here we go. Now we have to select the form. Okay, now select the form. So we have given the name KV Tech Guide. So just select this KV Tech Guide. Okay, here it is. So here it is. We have successfully added a contact form to our page. Okay, now click on publish. Publish. Here it is. Now let's open this page in a new tab. So view page. Here it is. This is the contact form. We have successfully created a contact form. Now I just want to add this contact me page to the menu. For that we need to go to the WordPress dashboard. Appearance. Menu. This is the page that we have created, contact me. So select add to menu. Here it is, contact me. Save menu. Now let's open this page in a new tab. So here it is. This is the contact me page that we have created and we have successfully added a contact form to this page. Look at this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can add this contact form by using Elementor page builder. For that you need to install Elementor plugin. So go to the WordPress dashboard, go to the plugin, add new, and search for Elementor. So here it is, Elementor Page Builder. We have already installed this plugin. So now let's open a website in a new tab. So now we will going to add a contact form in a home page. So select a home page. So right now we are already in a home page. So after that, go to the edit with Elementor. So here it is, just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, here it is. So scroll down and select the section where you want to add a contact form. So I will add a new section. So I will just click on this plus button and I will use this structure. So I will just click on this structure. So now what I will do, I will bring the text heading and drop over here and I will write get in touch with me. Alignment center. Here it is. Now I am going to search for widget. And the widget is WP Forms. Here it is. Just drag and drop it over here. Here it is. So now select form and we have given the name KV Tech Guide. So just select KV Tech Guide. So here it is. Now select this section. From here you can increase and decrease the width of contact form. Here it is. Okay, that look much better. Here it is. And if you want to add a padding from top to bottom, then go to the advanced. So unlink all values by clicking link values together. So here it is. From here we are going to increase the top. Let's make it 15, maybe 15 to 16. Okay, now let's increase the bottom. Okay, now let's increase the bottom. Okay, 15. Let's make it 16. Okay, now it's look much better. If you are happy with this, just click on update. Now open this website in a new tab. Okay, now scroll down. So here is the form that we have added. Okay, we have successfully added a contact form through Elementor. Okay, to send email, I will just type my name, email, and in the message box I will type this is just a test email. Okay, now let's click on send button. Here is the message. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Okay, now let's open a Gmail account. So as you see, we have successfully received the email. Here it is. Okay, now let's open this email. Here it is. So this is the email. So we have successfully received the email. So if the email is not received in your inbox, you have to find this email in your spam folder. So here it is. You have to find the spam folder. Just click on more. Just scroll down. Here is the spam. Here is the spam folder. Just open the spam folder. And if it is not received in your inbox, you will be receive this email in your spam folder. So now what you have to do, you have to open the email in spam folder. And here you will get a message, not a spam. So you have to click on that message. As soon as you click on that message, so any email that has been came from contact form, now it will not move to spam folder. It will be directly received in your inbox. So that's it. We have successfully created a contact form. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day.